Hi, I'm Jillian Dueck with Remax City Realty. Welcome to the most beautiful place in Canada to call home. Watch my latest tour and call me with any questions.
Welcome to Port Stalashen, the Sunshine Coast's only gated complex. This 1,557 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse features an excellent open concept floor plan on the top level with a second level deck and a private backyard space surrounded by mature trees. Unit number 311 also has an attached garage and an exclusive use strata-managed garden area. A short walk through the complex brings you to an expansive pebbled beach. In the distance, you're able to see Vancouver Island. While separately owned, an on-site marina makes it possible to keep your own boat just outside your front door. Let's go back to number 311 and walk through the inside of the suite. Standing in front of the unit, we walk past your attached garage before stepping inside. Starting in the foyer, we pass the door to the garage before turning right into this level's washroom. This 4-piece has a separate shower as well as a large vanity and a jetted deep soaker tub. The door on our left leads to a walk-through closet that connects to the main bedroom suite. On the opposite side of the bedroom are glass doors that open to your backyard patio and seating area. Turning around, we get another look at the bedroom before making our way to the hallway. Here we find 3 closet doors, one of which houses the washer and dryer. To our right is the second bedroom. It's a good size and has a closet and a backyard facing window. Back in the foyer, we this time take the stairs up to the top level. Past the stairs and on our right hand side is a powder room. More sliding glass doors open to your second level deck. Surrounded by a glass railing, this is an excellent spot for enjoying the sun or entertaining. Back inside, we get a better look at the sitting room which connects to the galley kitchen. There's a breakfast bar and 4 appliances. A pass-through looks to the living and dining area. Backing out of the kitchen, we see that the living room has a fireplace surrounded by large windows that look to the backyard. On our right is the dining area and the pass-through that connects to the kitchen. Owners also have access to the on-site clubhouse that includes a guest suite, a dining room and a kitchen, a games room, a workshop, and even a gym. Wilson Creek Plaza is across the street from the complex and has a grocery store, a medical clinic, a coffee shop, and much more. Number 311 in Port Stalashen is West Coast living at its very best. An excellent floor plan, easy access to the beach, and a long list of impressive amenities make this a must-see. Don't wait. Call Realtor Jillian Dueck today to request your private viewing.
So what did you think? It was a fantastic home, wasn't it? For more information on this listing, call or text me anytime at 778-322-0113 or find me online at coastallivingbc.ca.